Welcome to solverfy.
In this question, we have bar AB rotating uniformly about a fixed pin A with a constant angular velocity omega. And then we need to determine the velocity and acceleration of block C at the instant when theta is 60 degrees. So based on this diagram, we can redraw the situation because the point of interest is C. Okay, so we just need to include the important parts. Okay, A, B, C, this is L, L, and then the horizontal distance is also L. I'm going to, so this is angle theta that is given. I'm also going to call this angle phi, which we need to define the x and y coordinates of point C. Okay, so for the position coordinate equation for point C, okay, so we'll set the origin at A because it's not moving. So along the x-axis, okay, so just to define the coordinate system, so this is our y, this is our x, okay. So all right, so we will do for the along the x-axis. Okay, so we have L cosine theta plus L cosine phi equals to L. Okay, so yeah, because the horizontal distance from A to C is L, and then so there's a part from L cosine theta, there's a part from L cosine phi, and if they are equal to L when they sum them together, so you can remove the L from this, and you get cosine theta plus cosine phi is equal to 1. Okay, and then if you differentiate with respect to time, take time derivative. Okay, so we have minus sine theta dot minus sine phi dot equals to 0. Okay, so and if you take another time derivative, yeah, because we need acceleration, so it's better to do it one more time. Then you have cosine theta dot square plus sine theta double dot plus cosine phi dot square plus sine phi double dot equals to 0. Okay, so then when theta equals to 60 degrees, phi is also 60 degrees. Okay, this is from okay, so from equation 1. Okay, this is what we get because cosine 60 degrees is half, then cosine phi will be half, then phi will be 60 degrees. Okay, and then we are also given that theta dot is constant, so theta double dot is equal to 0. Okay, so from equation 3, okay, so we have 2 omega square cosine 60 degrees. Okay, so how do we get this? Because wait, we also get phi dot equals to theta dot negative, okay, from equation 2. Okay, yeah, this is from equation 2. Okay, so phi dot is equals to minus theta dot. So we can see that this term and this term, they are the same. Okay, we combine to give you 2 omega squared cosine 60 degrees, and then plus sine 60 degrees phi double dot equals to 0. So phi double dot is equal to minus 2 over omega square root 3 omega square, which is equal to minus 1.16 omega square. Okay, then so we are done with the horizontal direction along the x-axis. Now we are going to do the y-axis. Okay, so from the diagram, okay, along the y-axis, okay, so just to repeat the diagram over here. Okay, so we are going to have y is equal to L sine theta minus L sine phi. Okay, so so because the origin is set at A, okay, so it will be this vertical distance minus this vertical distance. Okay, so this is L sine theta, and then this is L sine phi. Okay, so when you take the difference, you get a negative y. Then you have so I'm going to call this yc, and then vc is the time derivative of yc, is yc dot. So you get L cosine theta, theta dot minus L cosine phi, phi dot. Okay, and then you do another time derivative to get AC. This is minus L sine theta, theta dot square plus L cosine theta, theta double dot minus L cosine phi, phi double dot plus L sine phi, phi dot square. Okay, then when theta equals to 60 degrees, phi 60 degrees, then we have VC, and remember that theta dot equals to minus omega, equals to minus phi dot. Okay, so VC will just be 2 L cosine 60 degrees times omega. Okay, so this is just L omega is upward. Okay, because it's a positive number. And then AC is equal to minus L sine theta sine 60 degrees omega square plus theta dot is 0, 0 minus L cosine 60 degrees. Just now our phi double dot is minus 2 over root 3 omega square plus L sine 60 degrees omega square. Okay, and you see that this term and this term cancel out. So we are left with 2 over root omega square root 3 times cosine 60, which is half, times L omega squared. This is 0.577 L omega squared. And then the direction is upward as well, okay, because it's positive. Okay, so the final answer, VC is equal to L omega upward. Okay, and then AC is 0.577 L omega squared upward. Okay. Okay, so these are the answers for this question.